Hello everyone, today I will guide you through the simple activation process of your EinScan Rigil scanner. First of all, press and hold the power button on the top for about 2 seconds to start the device. Choose your preferred system language. This time, we recommend selecting English for this demonstration, then tap Next. Read the terms carefully, accept them, and proceed with Next. Then connect to a stable Wi-Fi network for full functionality. And as for the login part, you can type your personal email address and click the Get button for the verification code. You can also type your personal cell phone number to get the corresponding verification information. Once logged in, you will move to the simple tutorial guidance. Click Next one by one to check every page of the tutorial information. After get a raw preview of this EinScan Rigil, and you can click Start to officially enter the main interface of this device. And then we can move to the calibration interface. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick menu. Tap the calibration icon to enter the calibration. First of all, we need to do some pre-calibration checks. Verify that the calibration board's serial number matches the on-screen display. You are using a new board or you first receive this package, you need to scan its QR code with the scanner first. And we have two calibration modes, laser and infrared calibration plus white balance. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete step-by-step alignment. Ensure proper lighting and stable positioning during the process. And as for the white balance calibration, you need to point the scanner at the pure white backside of this calibration board. Hold steady until the process bar completes. Once both modes finish, the system updates the latest calibration timestamp, and then you can exit the interface. And your EinScan Rigil is now ready for precise scanning. EinScan Rigil features 2 blue laser line patterns, 19 cross laser lines for high-speed scan, and 7 parallel lines for detailed scan. These two patterns can be flexibility switched during the scanning process. Now let's see how Rigil delivers an efficient yet richly detailed scanning experience. First, we need to adjust the corresponding brightness. We need to set exposure until live view shows slightly reddish. And if we need to capture the texture information of the object, we also need to adjust the corresponding texture camera brightness as needed. If the environment light is insufficient, we can also turn on the backside LED supplements. And in simple, a 38-line pattern for general scanning. It's quick and fast. And for the parallel 7 lines, we can use this mode to scan fine details on the object surface. On the right side, we have multiple adjustments to be done. We need to set corresponding resolution, and we can also enable or disable texture capture. And last and also importantly, we need to select the corresponding alignment mode. Then we can play the play button to scan the officially scanning. During the scanning, we need to maintain the optimal distance. Green zone indicator we can see on the right side, and we better maintain this distance inside the green range. During scanning, you also need to remember that move the scanner steady across the surfaces of the object. And for some narrow space, we can also overlap scan passes slightly for complete coverage. And then, after a whole scanning, we can review the captured data. And then, if the data is satisfied, we can save or export the scan files. EinScan Rigil has special feature tracking algorithm, provides a marker-free blue laser scanning mode, enabling better efficient than traditional marker-based laser scan and better data quality than marker-free IR scan. And you can see it on the screen that the type of laser lines is also switchable in marker-free mode to achieve both high-speed scanning and fine details. Besides these powerful laser scanning modes, EinScan Rigil also features an IR rapid scan mode that can cover large areas, enabling efficient modeling of medium to large-size objects. Equipped with human eye-safe invisible light resources, it is particularly well-suited for scanning portraits. So yeah, we need to switch to IR mode using the top toggle button. Of course, same basic workflow as laser scanning applies. And on the left panel features adjustable working distance control, also real-time capture range modification. And we also have a special intelligent plane detection function available under IR scanning. It can automatically separate plane surface on the bottom of the scan object, which can isolate objects below detect planes. So same, we need to maintain steady movement speed during the IR scanning and select appropriate resolution for your specific object. EinScan Rigil's advanced outdoor scanning capability allows seamless tracking even under harsh noon sunlight, with both infrared and blue laser modes. Despite the sculpture's lack of clean geometry, its adaptive lighting and the unique texture feature hybrid alignment algorithm paired with a wide scan field of view ensure fast and precise capture of 3D model. Thank you.